Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you a technique for replicating tie-dye patterns. Let's start. I chose 4 different polymer clay colors. Using a pasta machine, flatten them into sheets on the highest thickness setting. Arrange the sheets to form a stack. Roll it to form a log. Thin it down by rolling it further. Slice the log in half. Place the pieces side by side and cut in the center. Arrange all 4 pieces to make a block. Pressing clay with an acrylic block gives it shape. Slice the block into pieces. I have taken a base sheet. It is optional. I placed all the pieces on the base. Trim off the excess. Flatten all the pieces together with a roller to make a slab. You can cut shapes from this slab as well. Here comes the crucial step to make a tie-dye pattern. You will need a long needle to texture the slab. By positioning the needle at an angle from the surface, drag the pattern outwards by drawing a line. We need to texture it only on the surface without pressure, just by gentle strokes outwards. Repeat the process for the entire slab. I sped up the video. Flatten the slab gently with a roller until all lines and textures disappear. Use any of your preferred clay cutters. Bake the pieces according to clay instructions. These are baked pieces. Resin is optional, but I want to show you the difference. The resin shows details better. I used dull colors. If we used bright colors, we could skip this step. I cure UV resin under a UV lamp. These are assembled pieces. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like these detailed process videos, so I can continue to make many more.